Back with Rolling Museums. We about to check out this clean 1977 Cutlass Supreme. She bad, fellas. She got a small block 350 old center, rally wheels. Let's check out that interior. Bucket seats, console, floor shifter. She's in great shape. It looks like it got 3 small cracks up there at the top of the dash. Checking out those cracks in the dash. Just 3 small cracks up at the top. But other than that, she's in immaculate shape. The seats are very great condition. A little bit of fading right there, but don't even look like this seat's been really sat in that much. And for the passenger too. Back seat. I seen one small tear. Right there, fellas. That's it. Let's check out the driver door. Weather stripping look brand new. It's nice and pliable. It ain't cracked or dry or nothing. Bottom of the doors are very solid. No surface rust, no pitting. It's absolutely beautiful. And this weather stripping look brand new, fellas. It's all in great shape. Let's go around and check out the passenger door. You're very, very clean, fellas. Very, very clean. Let's start her up, fellas. Look how nice she runs. Running like a sewing machine, fellas. It's a nice driver. I have all the contact information in the description below.